Hey there, YouTubers. This is Dr. Todd Wolfe here. I just wanted to bring you a very quick, short video today to talk about Llama. And if you haven't heard about it yet, it's Facebook or Meta, as you know it today, way of giving us access to artificial intelligence, and they've made it available to us free in the open source community, which makes it pretty cool. And many of you might be interested in trying it out or playing with it. It's very different in many ways, as this model is designed to be retrained much faster than some of the other larger models out there. So it's smaller and easier to retrain overall, and it's also, they have released a partnership with Microsoft, and you're going to see this here as far as a business offering in the near future, whereby Microsoft's going to allow you to have your own private space in Azure, and to search your own content and to generate your own AI models around it. So that's going to be coming soon and all. But with Meta, and Llama 2 has just come out, you may be interested in how you can obtain access to Llama 2. All you have to do is go over here to ai.meta.com, go to the resources page, models-and libraries, and then Llama-downloads. You request access to the next version of Llama. Fill out the information. We're going to do that real quick here. I'm going to put in one of my email addresses. Choose my country, and I'm just going to put in self for my affiliation, and I'm going to put in the request. After, of course, you should read through the acceptable use policy and their licensing agreement and how you can use it. Accept the terms if you're comfortable, of course. And then you're going to receive a download request, okay? So once you do that, you can also subscribe for updates, so you can stay on top of what's happening with Llama in the community out there. So I'm going to also do the same. I'm going to subscribe for updates here, so I'm aware of what's going on. And I'll use self again. And choose some other options and submit that. So I'll get email alerts now, of course, with what's happening with that space.